Okay, so to turn the machine on, you're going to walk up to it and release the emergency stop, and then press the green on button. And then you are going to come up to the computer and wait about 30 seconds. And then you're going to launch router control. And it should say that the machine is in reset, so we're going to press the reset button to clear. And we have reset cleared now. Then we want to press cycle start. And the machine should start moving in Z first, and then it should start moving in Y, and then it should start homing in X. And once that has finished, you should be able to jog the machine around. So we're still here on this line, so we're still homing in X. Okay, and now that we can see positions up here, XYZ machine positions, we know the machine is now homed.